Welcome to Sathish's channel. IPO times are always an exciting times, kind of a festive times for retail investors. They always think that IPO is the best opportunity to multiply their money. It is the best opportunity to put the money into equity and accelerate it to grow. So that was the myth, and 2021 was a fantastic year which has broken this myth from retail investors. There were 55 IPOs in 2021 and one of the biggest IPO was Paytm. The issue price was extremely expensive and the listing price was lower than the issue price, and the current trading price is almost 45% to 50% discounted price from the issue level. So today the IPO investor are also a highly aware and educated investor. They knew that they have to analyze and then have to invest their money in IPOs. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss about a much important IPO which is currently running, which is called the Adani Wilmar IPO. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the IPO details, quality of the company, financial of the company, valuation, and am I going to invest in this IPO or not. All these things you will get it in this video. First, let's start with a disclaimer. This is my personal opinion and research. If you want to invest in this IPO, number one, do your own research or connect with your personal consultant, financial consultant, and take your own decision. So I am Sathish, financial consultant and author of this book called Untold Wealth Secrets, and I also write Middle Class to Millionaire. It's an ongoing personal finance episode. So far 10 episodes has been completed and many more to come in non-AM weekend. And if you want to connect with me for equity, mutual fund or PMS, my WhatsApp number there in the description. Connect with me. And if you are watching this video, please be generous, like the video, because the chances of this video reaching multiple people very high when you like this video. Okay, first, let's go to the IPO details. This IPO has already been opened on 27th of January and will be there till 31st. So the issue price is around 218 to 230 and market lot size is 65. Interestingly, 58% of subscription already been subscribed on the day one itself. So today is day 2, so we got to wait until the end of the day to know the day 2 figures. Okay, let's get into the quality of the company. Adani Wilmar is a 50-50 joint venture between Adani and Wilmar Group. Adani, you know that it is one of the strong parentage company from India. And Wilmar is one of the biggest, largest company based out of Singapore when it comes to agriculture, sourcing of agricultural products. So two large corporates joining their hands in 1999 and started a company called Adani Wilmar. And they have three kind of categories when it comes to Adani Wilmar business. The first category is edible oil. The second category is FMCG. The third category is industrial essentials. So when it comes to edible oil, 65% in India they consume this particular brand which is called Fortune. This brand is one of the undisputed market leader when it comes to branded edible oils. So that is the biggest strength, I would say, because 65% of money, and this particular company brand is undisputed market leader, largest distribution, strongest brand. One in every house, 3 household uses this particular brand. I don't know, possibly you might also maybe using this Fortune brands of edible oil, possible. So quality of the company seems to be good. Not only with the edible oil, the FMCG, it is one of the fastest growing FMCG brands. The Fortune Atta, the Fortune Basmati rice, and many more grocery products are there. And industry essential, they are also market leaders in industry essential. So quality wise, it's a good company. So let's move on to financials. Let's understand how the financials placed. In financial year 19, the sales was around 28,000 crore. Financial year 20, 29,000, and 21 it is 37,000 crore. It is increasing, the sales revenue is increasing, which is extremely essential for the company. And let's look at the profits. In 19 it was 375 crore, 20 it was 460, and 21 it is 727 crore. From 375 to 727, they almost doubled their profits. So they have clearly shown the efficiency, the profit, the financial is also positive, because Sales turnover and profitability are always increasing from financial year 2019 to 2021. Good financials. Quality wise good, financial wise good. So let's understand the valuation, how they are actually pricing this issue. That's extremely important. The ROE of the company is 22%, ROC is 14%, which is definitely good. So valuation wise, if you look at the PE, the current PE is at 45. So you compare the 45 PE in the higher price band with the industrial average. If you look at the FMCG industry average, the best in the industry is around 85. The average is around 66. The worst is 46. So Adani Wilmar PEO is at 45, which is lower than the worst. So that means that the valuation is also attractive. Attractive valuation, good financials, good quality of the company. What else you need? I think that you should not be missing out on this particular IPO. Let's understand where they wanted to put their money into. IPO is nothing but collecting that money. So they have three biggest objectives when it comes to collecting the money and spending it. Number one is capital expenditure. So they have allotted 19,000 crore for the business expansion, capital expenditure, and they have debts. They wanted to repay those debts, and 19,000 crore has been allotted for that, and 5,000 crores has been allotted for mergers and acquisition, purely only for business expansion. So that means that the money they are going to collect, which is also going to put into the business only. So I am going to apply personally for this particular IPO, and you might get listing gains, and definitely you will get the long-term gains as well. So try and apply. Let's see that whether you are getting that allotment or not. And this is about Adani Wilmar IPO, and I am Sathish. If you need any recommendation, advisory on equity, mutual fund and PMS, my WhatsApp number there, connect with me. And if you want to join my free WhatsApp group, the description is there. If you want a free Demat account, again the link is there in the description. Please do join. I'll be happy to have you in my WhatsApp group and assist you when you open a Demat account. And most importantly, if you are watching this content till now, if you like the content, please click the like button, because the chances of this video reaching multiple people very high. Stay tuned to this channel. I will be seeing you with another interesting video with another interesting information about the personal finance, investments or equity markets. Stay tuned. I will see you with another video. Bye bye.